Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2019 Volkswagen Amarok. Any screen, you want the sat nav, you've got nav here. Again, just watch out for the bottom there. There's a menu along the bottom which confuses some people, because if you're just looking at it like now, you just don't know what to do. However, as soon as your hand closes in, you get a new menu at the bottom. You've got new destination, so we'll click on new destination. Enter address, POI, so we're going to put the postcode in. Our postcode is Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR5 4EA. Just thinking about that, there you go, PR5 4EA, Preston, England, United Kingdom. So we'll select that. It's brought up the little map. To go there now, we have to click start.
Please select a route.
There you go, it gives you a choice of 3 routes, fastest and most economical and blah blah blah, but click one and that's it, you're off.
Please follow that A675 for 100 yards.
We're sat on the forecourt, so it's confused it a little bit. That's how you set the sat nav. Another couple of things that you may want, you'll see that's in daylight mode at the moment. You can have it, if you put your hand up there and click view, you've got auto, day or night. If you click night, then it goes dark. Sometimes you get in a car and it's during the day and you can't see where you're going, and that's it. And then you have to mess about with the screen trying to get it light, but it's day or automatic. And again, I've put it on automatic, it's put it on night. The lights are on auto. It thinks it's dark outside because we're under a tree, and it's made that hard to see. So again, view, day, that's it.